What's the meaning of caftan? Caftan. Caftan.
Caftan. Caftan. A caftan is a loose, flowing garment that extends from the shoulders to the ankles and is often worn as a type of robe. Caftans are typically made from lightweight, breathable fabrics such as cotton or silk and may feature elaborate embroidery or other decorative details. The origins of the caftan can be traced back to ancient Mesopotamia, and it has been worn in various forms by cultures around the world. Today, caftans are often associated with leisurely pursuits such as lounging by the pool or beach, although they can also be dressed up for more formal occasions.